Hello, my friends. Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life, and I have some great things to share with you today. Some you might already have, but some are brand spanking new and some are limited edition. Oh, are you ready for that? Okay, the first two items are brand new, but let's go back in time a little tiny bit. And remember this adorable happy birthday we released a while back? Here's another cute one. And then we released in the same font, the same style, the happy retirement. And you know what? I know you all fell in love with that. So what? Oh, here's another happy retirement. Gorgeous, right? Well, you know what? When you have happy birthday and you have happy retirement, it is time for happy everything, right? Sometimes you just need a catch-all for everything. Well, now we have happy everything we're releasing, and we are also releasing happy anniversary. Now you have lots of happies. We always need die words. I always need die words. Well, now I'm getting more and more die words put together in collections. So now I have different options. So here I have a happy everything. Here I have a happy anniversary. Now look at how adorable that happy everything is on a Slimline. But it's also perfectly sized for an A2 size card. So you get to decide. It does come with the shadow, which is very, very handy. Look at how fun this is in a monotone. Isn't that gorgeous? Here we go. Happy everything. Love it so much. Then we have that happy anniversary. I love those letters, how they kind of go different ways and stuff like that. Happy anniversary. Again, perfect for your Slimlines. Happy anniversary. Happy anniversary. Look at that. Look at the cute little penguins. Now look at this one. This is on our party folded rainbow. Happy everything. So it's very, very subtle. Oh, look at this. Here's one with our sun folded in our cloud. Happy everything. And here's another one with our rainbow folded. I love it. I know. Isn't that fantastic? That's like the perfect card, right? Now, so those are new. New. Happy anniversary and happy everything. But we have a couple other items that are very, very limited. Once they're gone for good. We just had some extras laying around. They were from past kits, so maybe you missed a kit or you weren't in the kit club yet and you wanted these, but now's your chance to get them. We have our Loopy border. We have our word sunshine. We have also a very limited amount of the Brights 2 Everday. Our paper pads fly off the shelves, you guys, so make sure you get those quickly. And then we also have, if you didn't get a chance to take our 2020 class, because not many people did, because we didn't get to travel very much, we had extra stencils, so you can buy just the stencil if you want. And we also have just the stamp and die set. You can buy the class online to watch the entire class online that would come with these items and other items as well, or you can buy these separately. So now we have that flower and the die set to match. This flower coordinates perfectly, and I designed it for the flower flip it card that is on our website. Just a heads up. Also, Kenny decided to release some new blocks. So these blocks, this is a double pack, and you guys, if you've never seen our prices on blocks, your socks will be knocked off because our blocks are so reasonably priced. 2 blocks, the exact same size, and they are 2 inches by 2 inches. And you get 2, which is very, very handy because sometimes you just want a couple blocks that have specific things on them all the time. For example, my personalized stamps. My personalized stamps, I leave on blocks so I don't have to keep taking them off and putting them on and taking them off and putting them on. So these all have my personalized stamps on the back. I just leave them on there forever and ever. So these are perfect for that as well. So club members, yeah, you're getting the discount. You know all that. If you're not in the club, I don't know what to tell you. Go check it out. The join the club button on the stampsoflife.com. But you know what? Yes, you're getting your discounts. Don't forget, some of these are limited if you don't already have them. If you want them, grab them quick and go check out that happy everything and that happy anniversary. Thanks so much. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.